Scipy.optimize.minimize returning incorrect results. In Python, I have a function error_p that calculates the mean squared error between a set of observed probabilities, or more correctly, normalized frequencies, and the Poisson distribution for a given mean. A plot of this function, error_p, over a range of mu values is. Clearly there's a minimum at an input, mu, value of just below 2. However, when I call Scipy.optimize.minimize like this, I get indicating a minimum at mu equals 13.86 with a function value of 0.007, whereas if I run, I get. Why is Scipy.optimize.minimize not finding the true minimum?
If you use the function Scipy.optimize.minimize_scalar, you get the expected result. Why does Scipy.optimize.minimize not work? My guess is that your function error_p is malformed from a numpy perspective. Try this, and you'll see that it fails. Your function isn't tailored to take in an array of inputs and spit out an array of outputs, which I think is what minimize is looking for.
Change 2. And it works as expected.